Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your RedMagic 11 Air. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and adjust the media and the call volume in the settings. So we're going to go over and adjust the call volume first. You cannot adjust it in the settings, but you can adjust it in the phone app. So just press the power button, sorry, not the power button, but the volume up button right here until you see that the slider just does not move. So make sure to max this slider out. Next, we're gonna go to the settings, and here on the settings, we're gonna go to the sound and vibration. We are interested in this section right here where we have the 4 sliders. We are interested in the third one from the top, so music, video, and game. This is our media volume. We also want to max it out right here. Next, what you guys want to do is scroll a bit down to do not disturb and make sure that this switch right up top here is gray and it's not enabled. If it's enabled, then you will see the moon icon right here, but if it's disabled, you won't see anything. Now, after that, what you guys want to do is clean your speaker, or if you are using the wired USB-C headphones, then clean the charging port. Here we have the speaker grill, as you guys can see. Now, what you guys want to do next after cleaning it is go over and restart your device. So restarting your device refreshes the entire system, and it is very good for it because you can get rid of any minor glitches that just occur on your device simply by restarting it. So hold the power button until you see this menu pop up, tap restart, and tap to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys once it's restarted. Now after the restart, what we're gonna do is we're gonna simply enter the pattern. Now, of course, as a last resort, we're gonna update our software to fix any audio glitches. So let's go over to the settings and now swipe all the way down until you see system. It's almost at the bottom. And here, tap the first option from the top, so the system update. All you need is Wi-Fi connection for it in order to check if you've got the latest version of the software. I do, as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software, because if you don't, then older glitches on the device can basically destroy your experience with it. The device can be slower, or of course you will have a low volume problem. So you want to update as soon as the new version comes out, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.